Okay, so we got our box of Imperfect foods today, and I'm not sure what I ordered. It was a couple of days ago that we placed our order, but let's see. Ooh, charcuterie boards with crackers and meats and olives and dark chocolate covered cranberries and cheeses. I got 2 of them. Let's see, I got some asparagus. They look just like the ones you buy at the store. I got some celery. Look at that. I got cucumbers and zucchini. Another cucumber. I got some bell peppers. They're not quite red. They're a little bit green, but that doesn't much matter. I got some tomatoes. Ooh, potatoes. They're all just kind of thrown in here in a box. Onions. And then in this aluminum foil bag, there's an ice pack, a big ice pack that's still really solid. And we got some kimchi, hummus, some feta cheese, canned crab meat, and what is this? This is chorizo and it's something with serrano peppers, chorizo, and some other meat. I don't know, some sliced meat. But all of this was in here in this little bag. But I mean, that's not bad for having groceries delivered to the house, and none of these are what you would be really considered imperfect. All of this is stuff that I would get at the store. But not bad, not bad.